All right, next up, Tom and Amanda Hardy. Any predictions, Tom? 2272. 2272? Okay. Let's see.
2307.
Let's see what we got. Here we go. Oh, that thing's going to leave.
Oh, here.
22.72 pounds. No! Come on!
Do I get a prize for that? Has anyone done that before?
No.
That's never been done before.
That's incredible. Not even, oh, it's just on the dot. We'll find a way to give you like a gift card of some sorts, because that's unreal.
That's amazing.
You done this before?